we're in a pandemic year. This has been, difficult. This has been really tough on a lot of people. A lot has happened in the trucking industry though. What have you kind of seen just with the trucking industry itself, this last year? That, any significant changes, anything that you kind of just noticed about this industry in the last year?
I think the biggest thing I can say right off the bat, without a doubt, is resolve. This
Mm.
industry didn't miss a beat.
Nope.
We never closed our doors. I talked to one of our branch managers, actually a couple of them, but one in particular stands out, that went in, he was in the Northeast, and the authorities tried to shut them down once a week, at least come in and say, you guys are not essential. You need to close your doors. And he fought it, and we stayed open, and we still delivered trucks. And so not just the resolve from Arrow and the truck dealerships that remained open, both for sales to provide trucks, but the mechanics and, service departments, so forth. But also our customers that still continued to chug forward and upgrade and really didn't miss a beat, and really kind of changed the way they buy trucks in terms of, they had to do a lot of it online and then go in, less contact to take delivery of the truck. I mean, when I was selling trucks, you did a test drive. I jumped in the cab of the truck with the guy. You're sitting there right next to you. That was hard to do there in the early days of the pandemic. You weren't allowed to do that in some cases. So,
Yeah.
So yeah, it was just the resolve. Everybody that I've talked to and met that plowed through it, and really didn't miss a beat. I mean, we kind of pulled in our horns a little bit because we didn't know what was going to happen, and so we kind of quit buying inventory for a little bit. And then, our great, awesome customers are like, we need trucks.
Yeah.
We need to keep rolling. And so before we know it, sales are picking up. So now we got to go buy more trucks, and then more sales and more trucks. And through all this, and we're scratching our heads saying, the rest of the world's in a pandemic and our business is really starting to take off. And so, yeah, just the resolve for the entire industry. And again, a thank you to our customers that had that resolve. They didn't go park their truck and they didn't go hide in their house with their mask on. They got in their truck, started it up, they jammed the gears, and they rolled down the road with freight. And, they kind of, I think, set the tone that helped us set the tone and the rest of the country, plow through this.